Welcome back to my channel. So from small things to big things. This is episode 4 for the Shimano Ultegra Di2 shifters. As I mentioned to you before, this is the main cockpit of the bike. Everything here will be controlled, like the shifting, brakes as well, and some settings that you can do with your cyclo computer later on. So I'll explain it to you one by one, as this is on the left side. Is the shifter. This is made of carbon, and these are made of plastics. The reservoir, this will be your connector for the cable, and your reservoir will be here. It's all the way in the back. You want to see it directly. This is your reservoir there. So you can take this out and fill up the mineral oil that is used for the Shimano system. Shimano doesn't use brake fluid because it will damage the paint. Shimano uses mineral oil. There's a special mineral oil that's only produced by Shimano, which is the one that they use. So this on the top, there's a button there. If you hear it, that's the button for your cyclo computer if you want to program and avoid your hands going in the middle, as I explained to you on my previous videos before. That's the purpose of the bottom there. Then this is the left side. Not that much to explain with these guys here, since they're just like this. That's what I could say. They're the main controller, but like less things to explain with them. This is how they will look later on. So if you're comparing, if you're from mechanical to the Di2, mechanical usually this one moves, but Di2 doesn't move. This will be your shifters. That will be the one who will control those, changing the shifts. Same thing on the other side. So the settings, you can mix them up. It's either you want this for your front derailleur, the two here, it will be like up, then this one will be down. That will be possible. Then if you want to make this as your rear derailleur, this shifts on the high gear, and this for the low gear. That will work. And these two things here on the top, which you can use it for your cyclo computer for browsing, it will work also. So if you want this as another shifter, that will be possible also. So you can shift also here, these two little buttons here. It will be the same like this with their setup. So that's not a problem. You can mix them up. That's the brilliant thing about the Di2. You can set them up, you can mix them up, you can do each of the buttons that you like, but sometimes it's kind of confusing. So make sure once you do the setup, make sure to double check and you have to test it first before going out for when you are going to ride. So okay, as I'll show you, and make sure to follow my channel, subscribe, hit the bell button for the latest notification, and hit that like button. And if you have some questions, you can message me and ask questions there, which I hope I can answer those questions that you have. And let's go for the weights of this one. So we're on grams. We'll go with the left side first. So 182 grams for the left side. For the right side, 181. You put them together, it's 364 grams. Okay, I don't see any weight comparison on the box. Nothing was indicating how much it weighs, but anyways, that's the actual weight that we have. So 364 in total for both of this. All right, now as you've seen lately with the episode 1 and 3, and this is 4. So this thing, how it goes, the connector of this one will be connecting to episode 1. So make sure to don't mix them. But anyways, the memory or the main memory for this one will just get some signal for it. You can mix those wires, but avoid putting too much wires, like too long, which is not good. So for me, I already calculated those wires that I need to put. Then the thing is, the one that I will be using is this. There's 150 millimeter length, because this one is coming from, oh no, not this one, sorry. So I'll be using the 300 millimeters because this one is a bit too high and it's going on the handlebar. So this, sorry, I'm on the left shifter. So this on the right shifter, oh no, I'm wrong, it's the right shifter. Okay, on the right shifter, I'll be putting the 300 millimeter wire in here. If you see, there's two connection here. This one, you can take it out if you're installing the another button. If you see this button here is the one that you use for using for sprint. So you can buy another unit for that one, and you can use it as a sprint shifter, which you can connect here. Or if you have some aero bar, you can connect here also, which will be of course integrated with the wires. But me, since I'm not using this, I'm still thinking is maybe I'll be using some the sprint shifters, maybe. But so far I'm leaving this here for now. I'm not using that route. So I'll be putting this wire here. Just have to put the click. Okay, you have to push, click, done. Then this, I will put it back. Alright, then this will go to episode 1 here. Okay, you're imagining now like we have the bike. I'm doing this because you will know at the end, if you're watching and you want to follow my channel, you will find out what is the purpose and what is the thing I'm doing, why I'm showing this to you. I'm not just explaining what I have, I'm just explaining how things goes later on. So this will be 650 millimeter length for the wires. So this will be connected to episode 3. Alright, so episode 3, episode 3, this you don't need it, the connector. I'll just push this in, click. Episode 3 will go to episode 4, which is the left shifter, and we need to click it, there you go. All right, we're done with this for now. Now the other thing is, if you're thinking is the other shifter for this one, there should be like a one connector here, so I'm taking this out and putting another connector going down, which will be the 1000, because that's the long wires. So I will be opening this. This will be my link from here going down to my frame. So that was been taken off. So I'll set this aside. Maybe I might need it later on. And I'll be connecting the 1000 millimeter wires after, not for now. We're just on episode 4, and you see how these things getting all together. So shifters, you imagine those two shifters, this is exactly how they looks. So this will be on your bar end, then this will be inside your handlebar, and this two will be on your left and right as a shifter. Alright, so this is episode 4. Make sure to follow the next episode to get these things all together, and we'll make things work first before installing it to my bike. Alright, I'll see you next time. Peace.